Hey foodies, welcome back to Bloggin Good Food. Today we are diving into the zesty world of lemon cookie decoration. Get ready for a burst of citrusy creativity. Lemon Paradise. A lemon paradise where cookies are the stars. Add a twist of lemon zest to your baking game. As the sun-kissed lemons sway in the orchard, we are infusing that sunshine into your cookies. Freshly baked delights straight from the oven. It's like sunshine on a plate. Cookie canvas. Time to turn those cookies into canvases. Let your imagination run wild with edible art. Just like an artist with a palette, we are using cookie decorating tools to paint our masterpieces. Each stroke is a burst of flavor and color, because who said art only belongs in galleries? Citrus Vista. Add a splash of citrus vista to your cookies, because life's too short for plain treats. Imagine colorful citrus slices falling onto your cookies, creating a vibrant vista of flavors. These toppings not only look amazing but also burst with that perfect blend of tangy and sweet. It's a party for your taste buds. Sweet surprises. Get ready for sweet surprises. Elevate your cookie game with unexpected delights as we open the cookie gift box. There's a delightful surprise waiting inside. These hidden fillings take your cookies to a whole new level. It's like a treasure hunt for your taste buds. Surprise after delicious surprise. Well, that's a wrap, folks. Thanks for joining our lemony adventure today. Remember, when life gives you lemon, make stunning cookies. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, happy baking.